Fine silica sand enters the armored glass production system. Vibrating feeders regulate the furnace feed material flow. The furnace feed system delivers minerals into the melting chamber. Extreme furnace heat transforms silica into molten glass. Molten glass flows directly into the float-forming section. Molten glass spreads across the liquid tin float bath. The floating glass ribbon stabilizes into uniform sheet thickness. The cooling section solidifies the continuous glass ribbon. Precision cutting systems divide the glass into industrial sheets. Finished float glass moves into precision processing storage. Vacuum lifting systems remove float glass from reinforced storage racks. Diamond cutting bridges shape the glass into armored panel dimensions. Diamond grinding systems smooth the sharp glass edges. Purified washing systems remove microscopic glass residue.
Processed glass panels enter the controlled lamination clean room.
Transparent polymer layers prepare for armored glass lamination. Tension-controlled systems unwind the transparent polymer layers. Ionized airflow removes microscopic contamination from the polymer layers.
Plasma activation prepares the glass for permanent bonding. Transparent bonding layers align directly against the activated glass surface.
Layered armored glass structures enter the vacuum de-airing section.
Flexible vacuum membranes seal the layered glass structures.
Vacuum systems remove trapped air from between the transparent layers. Heated pressure systems compress the transparent bonding layers evenly.
The stabilized laminated structures exit the vacuum de-airing system. Stabilized laminated glass structures prepare for final pressure bonding. The giant autoclave chamber opens for thermal pressure bonding. Hydraulic locking systems seal the pressure chamber completely. Extreme heat and pressure begin the permanent bonding process. The transparent layers fuse into one permanent bullet-resistant structure. The permanently bonded bullet-resistant glass exits the pressure chamber. Finished bullet-resistant glass enters structural verification testing. Optical verification systems inspect transparency and internal bonding clarity. Perimeter stress systems verify edge bonding strength and structural stability. High-speed analysis reveals how the laminated structure disperses ballistic energy. Certified ballistic glass panels prepare for armored vehicle installation. Shock-absorbing perimeter seals prepare the armored frames for ballistic glass installation. The curved ballistic windshield aligns precisely inside the armored vehicle frame.
High-pressure water systems verify the armored glass sealing performance.
Finished armored vehicles prepare for real-world deployment verification.
Optical systems verify clear visibility through the thick ballistic windshield.
Powered systems test the movement resistance of the heavy ballistic side windows. The armored suspension and ballistic glass systems endure real-world terrain movement. Heavy rainfall systems verify visibility and water sealing performance across the ballistic windshield. The finished armored protection system enters real-world operation. Multiple armored vehicles prepare together for operational deployment.